Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate destination for the boldest builds, wildest revivals, and jaw-dropping rides. Today, we're diving into something that's firing up every car lover's soul, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Yep, you heard that right. The legend from the muscle car era is back, and it's not just a nostalgic nod, it's a full-blown modern beast built to shake the streets. The 2026 Trans Am takes everything we loved about the iconic '79 Firebird and cranks it up with 21st century tech, performance, and swagger. At first glance, this machine demands respect. Its bold front fascia, screaming chicken decal Reborn in a digital glow, and aggressive hood scoops make sure you know this isn't just some retro attempt, this is a reincarnation of pure American muscle. Under the hood, Pontiac, resurrected through a limited GM collaboration, blesses this beast with a monstrous 6.2L supercharged V8, pumping out an estimated 725 horsepower. That's right, this ain't your grandpa's Firebird. This monster clocks 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds and sounds like a thunderstorm rolling through a canyon. A dual-mode performance exhaust lets you cruise quietly or roar like a track demon at the flick of a switch. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cockpit that's equal parts heritage and high-tech. Classic T-top styling, it's back, but now it's carbon fiber reinforced. The dashboard features a digital retro gauge cluster that pays homage to the old-school layout but with crystal-clear animation. Alcantara and leather race-style bucket seats hug you in tight. LED accents illuminate the interior with customizable colors, and an infotainment screen with performance telemetry ensures you stay connected, whether you're cruising the boulevard or tearing up the track. The suspension system has been refined for modern handling. Magnetic ride control, independent rear suspension, and performance Brembo brakes make it track-ready yet street-smooth. The 2026 Trans Am isn't just about going fast in a straight line, it's about conquering every curve with confidence. And let's talk customization. Pontiac is offering limited edition trims including the Phoenix Gold and Blackout series. Whether you're into loud colors or menacing matte finishes, the Firebird 2026 lets you flex your own version of muscle car glory. Optional old-school honeycomb wheels, throwback stripe packages, and even the legendary shaker hood are available for true enthusiasts. Only 2,026 units of the Firebird Trans Am will be produced, each numbered, each with its own VIN-etched dash plate, and each one a future collectible. Pontiac fans and collectors, this is your moment. Whether you're a die-hard muscle car purist or a newcomer drawn in by its legendary aura, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is a dream come true. It captures the soul of the '70s, injects it with modern tech, and delivers a driving experience that's both nostalgic and ferocious. So buckle up, gearheads, the Firebird is back, and it's hotter than ever. Be sure to drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you daily this beast, or keep it locked away as a crown jewel? And if you loved this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss a fire review here at Car Trend. This is where legends live on, and trust us, you don't want to miss what's coming next.